You're going to love the 2013 Ford Expedition. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, a tachometer, automatic dimming door mirrors, skid plates, and power seats. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.